I'm back. I'm still working with the mathematics in kindergarten, standard 1, operation in algebraic thinking. What do the children learn? Represent addition and subtraction with objects, fingers, mental images, sounds, verbal explanations, expressions, or equations. How? With the given operation, students will take the numerical cubes to represent each addend and perform the addition to find the sum. So here we have, in this example, students are supposed to find the sum of 3 and 9. Alright? So let us practice using the numerical cube system. So here we go. So if you take a look at this example, okay, you have 3 and then you're trying to add 9 to that. So I am going to take first number 3 out, and if you look down here you will see the 3. So here's an empty peg, so I'm going to use the 3 cubes. I'm going to put in, that's 1 cube, 2, and 3 cubes, 1, 2, 3. These cubes represent that number right there, okay? So now I want to add 9 to that, so I'm going to take 9 out. So here is an empty peg. So I need to build the 9 cubes. So I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay? Now, to add those two numbers, I literally take the cubes from the 3 over here and put into the 9. So I'll take one at a time, remove 1 from there. So I add to that, and that's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whenever you have 10 ones, you're going to put this top cap on to represent 110. So I'm going to take that, that's 110. I have to shift it to the tens column, okay? So here's 110, and then I have 2 left over here. So this number right here, if you see it, is actually 12, okay? So I'm going to write that down. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12, okay? So that's 2 here. Here is my carry, so I'm going to bring it down. So I have 12, okay? Let's see whether that is true. Indeed, I have 1/10 and 2 ones. So that's 12, okay? So I'm going to do the very next example. That will be subtraction. And I'm going to use the numerical cubes again and the empty sticks. So I'm going to start that. I'm going to pull this way up so that we only see the example 2, which is subtraction. In this example, students are supposed to subtract 4 from 8, okay? So let us practice using the numerical cube system. So in this place value chart, I start out with 8, okay? So I have to build 8. So I take the empty stick right here. So I'm going to construct number 8. So I need to have 8 cubes in here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, now I have 8 cubes. Now, what is it saying is I'm going to remove 4 cubes from the 8 cubes. I'm going to do that one at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so these are the 4 cubes that I removed. How many do I have left? I have 4 cubes left. So 8 subtract 4 is 4. How do I know this is correct? One way I can do is to check. Okay, so I'm going to write check down here. To check, what I can do is I take this 4 right there. Okay, I'm going to add to the 4 that I took away. So I have these, so I'm going to go ahead and put them back. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's 8. that I started out with. So that tells me this is correct. Okay? So that's checked. Now, I want to introduce equations. So in this example, I can introduce an equation. I take 8. Okay, so I'm going to write this down. Equation. So I take 8. I subtract 4. The answer is 4. So 8 subtract 4, I remove 4 cubes. I have 4 cubes left. And here are the 4 cubes that I removed. Okay? So this is the equation 4 right there. Okay? Equation. Thank you.